Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 21st December 2021. Today's topic name is memory allocation. So, firstly, we discuss about which ways are memory allocation are included in Java programming. Suppose you have a programmer, you have executed to code and done the code with the program, and it is stored in memory. Then memory stored in particular area, it is called as memory allocation. What is memory allocation? Memory allocation provides computer program and services which are included in Java programming. The Java programming memory allocation are used in store the memory of programming. The memory allocation is used in a allocation and deallocation of object are stored in memory allocation. Then the two concepts are included in memory allocation. First one is a JVM structure memory allocation, and second one is a garbage collection. The garbage collection are main collection of a Java programming. The garbage collection are specifies the process of mechanism where Java program can perform the automatic memory management or allocation. The object are data removed in garbage collection. Then second point is JVM memory structure. The JVM memory structure is a most important part of a memory allocation. The memory allocation are included in Java programming. Such types of memory allocation are included in: first one is a memory area, second one is a heap memory, and third one is a stack area. So we discuss about one by one. First one is a memory area or method area. When the JVM starts execution of the program, then the method area creates. It stores the class structure, super class name, interface name, constructor, variables, and so on. It can holding the class level information. Method area is a part of the heap memory. It create when the JVM is startup. It is used to class structure. It store the type of modifier. The types of search superclass name. Uh, that's all about memory area or memory method. Second point is a heap memory. When JVM starts the execution of the program, it can create object and store object and store in heap memory location. The heap memory has fixed size and dynamic size. Heap memory, there are some parts are heap memory. First one is a young generation, second one is a old generation, third one is a survivor generation, fourth one is a permanent generation, and last one is a code cache. That's all about heap memory. And second one is a stack area or stack memory. When we create the thread in Java program, stack memory are creates. The stack memory has enter fixed size or the dynamic size. So it is used for storing data and partial class result. Native method stack. Uh, the native method stacks are included in stack area. It is known as known as C stack. It is a stack for native code and not for the Java language. And the performance of this this native code is depend on the operating system. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.